Hi, I'm Annslie Gourlay. This summer, I interned with Magnolia James Boutique. I worked as the social media manager as a sales associate, and my day-to-day tasks include unboxing, steaming, and distributing merchandise. Also take photos of merchandise to create content for the social media platforms. When I'm not doing those tasks, I tend to customers by helping them find what they need, answering phone calls, and checking out customers at the register. I found out about this internship opportunity through Auburn's recommendations, and I applied to them by emailing the owner of the business. I was asked to come in for an in-person interview, and a few days later, I was interviewed by Miss Brooke and Miss Laura, who are the owners of the store. The day after I was interviewed, I was offered the internship position. The thing I enjoyed the most about my internship was seeing how the apparel business truly works and what it takes to do well. I also enjoyed meeting new people. Three things I learned about this internship is to always do a lot of researching before accepting the job and to keep an open mind, try your hardest, and to find your niche in the industry. Thank you.